was a girl, I wanted to be a nun. I even dreamed about it. Later, I realized it was just a childish dream, and I forgot about it. Today, I feel something in the deepest parts of my heart, in my silence and in my prayers. It goes out, but I don't know what it is.
My parish prayer says that we are not all called for a consecrated way of life. But some, however, are.
Okay, but how do I know?
Ask your heart, take time for prayer, and be open. And one more thing, you should try to find a friend who can help you to discern. He or she can help you, trust me.